Welcome to Captain Discovery. Today we're going to explore one of the most iconic treats of Halloween, caramel apples. If you've ever been to a Halloween festival, you've probably seen these delicious apples covered in caramel. A crispy apple with a sweet caramel coating, the perfect combination of tart and sweet. But have you ever wondered how these tasty caramels are made? Let's dive into the fascinating production process behind this Halloween favorite. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. Caramel apples, a popular fall treat, especially associated with Halloween, have an interesting history marked by key milestones. Hunter's Candy, a candy store in Moscow, Idaho, is credited with being one of the first to sell caramel apples in 1936. Before that, candy apples with a hard red sugar coating had been around since 1908. However, Hunter's Candy introduced a new twist by covering apples with soft caramel. This innovation quickly caught on, and during World War II, these caramel apples were even shipped overseas to soldiers in Korea, Japan, and the UK. In 1948, the Castrop family founded the Affy Tapple company in Chicago, which became one of the most famous caramel apple makers in the US.
The floor has been swept. It's closing time and I'm a little tired. It's a long time since I've slept. But things are moving forward. I'm ready to move on. Heading for a brand new start at the break of dawn.
Their caramel apple recipe came from Edna Castrop, and to this day, it remains the basis for their original caramel apple line. Affy Tapple played a major role in popularizing caramel apples across the country, making them a staple of fall festivals and Halloween celebrations. In 1960, Vito Raimondi patented the first automated caramel apple machine. This invention revolutionized the production process, replacing much of the manual labor involved in allowing caramel apples to be made in large quantities. The innovation helped meet the growing demand for caramel apples at fairs and festivals across the US. The combination of the tartness of apples with the sweet, smooth caramel coating has made this treat especially appealing. Today, caramel apples often come with a variety of toppings, such as crushed nuts, sprinkles, melted chocolate, or shredded coconut, making them a favorite snack for people of all ages during the fall and Halloween seasons. Now let's dive into the caramel apples production process. To create the perfect caramel apples, the process starts with selecting high-quality apples. The apples used must be crisp, slightly tart, and most importantly, have smooth skins to allow the caramel to coat them evenly. In the US, varieties like Granny Smith and Fuji apples are the top choices due to their natural crunchiness and subtle tartness, which pair beautifully with sweet caramel. Once harvested, the apples undergo a thorough washing process to remove any dirt and natural wax coating on the skin. This step is crucial because if the wax remains, the caramel won't adhere properly to the apple. After the apples are cleaned, they are fitted with wooden sticks to prepare them for the dipping process. Precision and speed are key at this stage, ensuring that the apples are perfectly prepped for the next step, dipping them in luscious caramel. Discovery Challenge. When enjoying caramel apples, which topping do you prefer most? A. Crushed peanuts. B. Chocolate chips. C. Sprinkles. D. Shredded coconut. Comment below and share your favorite. Creating the perfect caramel coating involves cooking basic ingredients such as sugar, butter, and cream. While it may seem simple, the process requires patience and a keen understanding of timing. First, sugar is slowly heated in large pots until it melts and turns a golden brown color. To prevent the caramel from burning, the temperature is carefully controlled throughout the process. Butter and cream are then added, creating a smooth, glossy, and pliable caramel that will set beautifully once cooled. The caramel must be maintained at the ideal temperature, neither too hot nor too cool, to ensure it adheres smoothly and evenly when the apples are dipped. The rich aroma of caramel fills the air, making the environment almost irresistible. Now for the most anticipated step, dipping the apples into the caramel. In the factory, automated arms take over this precise task. Each apple is carefully lifted and slowly dipped into the warm, molten caramel, ensuring that the caramel is neither too thick nor too thin. As each apple is dipped, the robotic arm gently rotates it, ensuring that every surface is coated evenly. Dipping the apples in caramel is only part of the process. The next step is decoration, where the caramel apples truly come to life. A variety of toppings including crushed nuts, sprinkles, and drizzled chocolate are carefully prepared and delicately applied to each apple. Machines sprinkle the toppings with precision, ensuring each apple is uniquely decorated. For example, you might see a chocolate drizzle swirling around the apple, or tiny candy pieces scattered across the caramel surface, creating a visually appealing treat. After the apples are decorated, they're moved to the packaging area. Here, machines wrap each apple in plastic or place them in custom-designed boxes, ensuring they remain fresh and protected during transport. The packaging often matches the festive spirit, with Halloween-themed designs that make the caramel apples even more fun and exciting for customers. Why are caramel apples such a staple during Halloween? First, it's all about timing. Fall is apple season, so the freshest apples are available just in time for Halloween celebrations. But more than that, caramel apples are tied to childhood memories, trick-or-treating, costumes, and enjoying sweet treats like caramel apples. They bring back the joy and excitement of Halloween for people of all ages. The contrast between the tart apple and the sweet caramel is the perfect treat for a chilly fall night. And that's how caramel apples are made. From selecting the apples to dipping them in caramel to adding the final decorative touches. It's a simple treat, but one that's packed with tradition and flavor. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing. Have a sweet and spooky Halloween and enjoy your caramel apples!